Okay, we are live again. Finally. Welcome back to the stream, people. How are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? Tell me. What did you do in your 10 minutes break? 15 minutes break? Okay. Hi, Preeti. Hi, Parak. Hi, Sayan. Hi, Siddharth. Hi, Sonam. Come on, guys. 17 people watching. Let's like the stream. Like the stream, people. एनपीटीएल का फॉर्म फिल किया इतनी देर में? अरे बहुत बढ़िया यार. एनपीटीएल मतलब मेरे फर्स्ट ईयर में भी मेरे को आया था, बट आई डोंट नो, नेवर शोड इंटरेस्ट इन इट. हेलो एबीडी, नाइस नेम. हेलो अमन दीक्षित. गाइस वेट करते सबकी, ऑब्वियसली वेट करना तो बनता है. हेलो निकिता सूर्यवंशी. I guess in our entire students crowd there are 2-3 Nikitas, so I get confused in who's whom, but yeah. The class is live. So guys, I just wanted to ask you one thing. Those who have joined, okay, hi वैष्णवी. ठीक है, 16 people watching है. इसमें से out of them 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 जो भी 10 people are active. Can you tell me, do you come? परक जैन सिर्फ 2 मिनट में शुरू करेंगे, क्योंकि यार सबका वेट करना पड़ता है, ऐसे अच्छा नहीं लगता अगर एकदम से स्टार्ट कर दे तो. सो सबकी वेट करनी चाहिए, एक बार सबको मौका मिलना चाहिए आने का. ठीक है. और तो आई जस्ट हैव अ स्मॉल सर्वे काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग फॉर यू गाइज. तो मेरे को एक बात बताओ गाइज, ऑल दोज हु आर वाचिंग मी राइट नाउ, वेयर डिड यू गाइज कम फ्रॉम राइट नाउ? मतलब अभी तुम्हें लिंक कहां से मिला? डिड यू गेट इट फ्रॉम माई व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप और माई डिड यू गेट इट फ्रॉम माई व्हाट डू यू कॉल टेलीग्राम चैनल, या कहां से? मतलब कुछ बताओगे कहां से मिला? मतलब अभी वाला लिंक, वेयर डिड यू गेट द करंट लिंक फ्रॉम? आई जस्ट वांट टू नो, लाइक अ स्मॉल दिस काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग. मतलब एक स्मॉल सर्वे काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग है विच आई एम डूइंग, नॉट डूइंग, मतलब अभी सोचा मैंने, सो दैट आई नो कि वेयर यू गाइज आर गेटिंग माई लिंक्स फ्रॉम. ओके, सुप्रिया साहा, यू गॉट इट फ्रॉम व्हाट्सएप. विच ग्रुप आर यू इन? Sabrata Mondal, you got it from Telegram. Very good. Sayan, Telegram. Okay, a lot of people from Telegram. YouTube recommendation, very good. Really good, really good. I just took a screenshot of that. Codeverse channel notification, बहुत बढ़िया यार. YouTube notification. Okay, okay. Telegram. Okay. Pretty good. Okay, Sonam Mishra, Telegram and WhatsApp both. Okay. YouTube notified. ठीक है यार. देखो, now I'll tell you one thing. I was just trying to see. I want to join WhatsApp group. I am sorry, Sabrata Mondal. I am not giving any personal WhatsApp numbers or links on the YouTube live session. These people like Supriya Sinha, Sonam Mishra, all these people are from my community. Jigsaw Minds, that's where they got my link from. They have enrolled in my WhatsApp groups. So, yes. ठीक है, 17 likes है and 28 people are watching. Do you think it's a good thing? Yes or no? No, obviously. तो लाइक कर दो, शुरू कर लेते हैं. It's already 22. 15 से 22 हो गया. शुरू कर लेते हैं यार. जल्दी से लाइक कर दो, जल्दी से. Come on. लाइक का बटन दबाओ जल्दी से. 19 लाइक्स हो गए. वेरी गुड. ऐसे करके 25 लाइक्स क्रॉस हो जाएंगे. जल्दी से लाइक कर दो. Come on. And we'll start. ठीक है. अभी किसी ने लाइक किया था फिर अनलाइक कर दिया. बहुत कोई दिक्कत नहीं. चलो, लेट्स स्टार्ट गाइस. Welcome back to the stream. I am Kabir Singh. I'm an avid coder, founder at Jigsaw Minds, mentor 20,000 plus people, 50,000 plus views on my YouTube webinars, live webinars, teaching experience of 1 year. Have been a guest speaker at different organizations and fests. Example DTU, Hope Indore, everywhere. So the subjects that I usually take are Java, C++, data structures, algorithms, Flutter, Dart, HTML, CSS, etc. Won't go in that a lot of times every day. So the career as a developer subscription, again in front of you. Get it for 999 rupees for 1 year. Have interesting shows that cover all the topics that you need, and you will be able to access a lot of content. The only thing which I recommend is that you should be going through this subscription because it's very good. You get to talk to HRs, the new companies which are coming, eligibility criteria, how to apply, what are the wrong things that you are doing, what you have to kind of maintain yourself, get your projects reviewed, resumes reviewed, live problem solving, etc. Other than that, the Code Chef Apprentice also comes in that agenda, in which Sai Avinash SD at Google, 7-star at Code Chef, comes and solves the problems with 3-star Code Chef people at 2 p.m. every Saturday, and he also solves problem with you guys. If you use the code Kabir, you will get this subscription for more 10% less. That comes out to be approximately 899 rupees. Like nahi kiya hai, if you haven't liked the stream, hit the like button. The people who have not come from the Telegram channel, link is there in the description below. The name of the Telegram channel is Kabir Singh Codes. Join the Telegram channel and become a part of the family as soon as possible, my friend. So what are we going to do in the part 4? Okay. 1 second. Just 1 second. Okay, so what are we doing in the part 4? The part 4 kind of involves more problems that we did and more problems now. So we will finish our level 1 questions, we'll finish our level 2 questions, and we'll try going to the level 3 questions. And now this is the agenda for today. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Give me a ready in the chat, guys. I cannot see readies in the chat. So only Sonam Mishra is ready. Others? रजत जोशी भी रेडी है. पीयूष लांबा रीड नहीं रेडी. यू शुड बी रेडी. Sayan is ready. Okay. Ready already. Okay. Nice one. Chalo, let's get into form. And the first question, no, the last question that we did was the question number 3, printing every string character in a string, and question number 4 was printing I love coding. So we did that also, है ना? So that should also be there in the notes. Since it's a very simple code, I'll still put it in the notes. ठीक है? So we'll just write print I love coding. ठीक है? Going forward, how many of you are excited to have these notes in your systems? How many of you want these notes? Write me in the chat. ठीक है? Fifth क्या है? Find the length of the string code verse. How do you find the length of the string? Find the length of the string code verse. Okay. Okay, so Subrita Mondal, being a very enthusiastic student, gives the direct answer str dot length, and then she says she or he so says str dot size also. Let's see how we can solve this question. So it's our question number 5. Question 5 dot cpp. I'm sorry. ठीक है, तो एक स्ट्रिंग ले लेते हैं str. String str will be there. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to initialize the count, obviously, because you have to count. So int count is equal to 0. Correct? Int count is equal to 0. And now what we are going to do? A very simple thing. We'll say cout, enter a string, cin str, and int count के बाद we'll write cout the string is str and l cout the length of the string is. Can somebody guess what I'm going to write here? We'll use a predefined function called as strlen bracket str, and this is going to give me the length of the string. I'll just run this code. One second. Let me check this out. Okay, I messed up. I am sorry. So basically, I forgot, and with the flow, I just went on writing. Basically, here we initialize our string as an array. So we'll write char str and we'll initialize it as code verse, and now when we run it, we'll again get a 1 second. Okay, yeah, obviously. And now when we run it, oh god, let me check this out. Yeah, so it's running again. So basically the string is code words and the length of the string is 9. Understood? Understood? Easy, guys. Easy or not, guys? Tell me. Yeah. The header file was an issue. I understood that. That's why I just got it sorted right now. Okay. Added it to the notes. Going to the next question. Question number 6 of our level 1 comes out to be copy string S1 to S2. Pretty easy question. Not difficult. Copy string S1 to S2. Give me the easiest solution to this question. I want you guys to give me the easiest solution to this question. str copy. Okay. Or anybody else wants to come and guess, guys? Come on. The chat is very inactive. So I want you guys to answer. Sir, 12th below 60 hai. Suman Datta, I did not get your point. Are you talking about your 12th percentage? समझ नहीं आया मेरे को. I didn't get your point. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel. We are very, very close to 20,000 subscribers, guys. Let's go. 20,000 subscribers incoming. Chalo, let's get to work. Basically, the easiest solution to this problem, which nobody comes and gives it to me, and pretty weird, why didn't you guys get this question? Question 6.cpp. You do not have to use that, Tanmay. It's very easy. Look at this. Now I'll be using the easiest solution to this problem, and this is what I expect. What happens when you're coding and somebody asks you the easiest solution? All you can do is string S1 equals Kabir and string S2 equals S1. Finished. See out. S2 कर दो. आ गया कबीर आंसर. Easy. पीटीटी बेस्ड कंपनी में जॉब मिलेगा. मैं 12th में बिलो 60 है. सुमन दत्ता, आई डोंट थिंक मिलेगा, बट यू कैन स्टिल अप्लाई फॉर कंपनीज like Amazon and all. They do not require your 12th percentage as of now. That's all I know, but I won't comment on that completely because I am not at all sure about the hiring process which is going on in 2021 and coming years. Abhinav Kashyap, this is not possible. Yeah, but we are teaching CPP. We are learning CPP. So I will give you the easiest solution is in CPP only, right? Come on. Understood. Very easy question. And the easiest answer on earth comes in front of you. Let's copy this and paste it for you guys. Okay. Let's get back. Yeah, Munib, correct. You thought right, but I'm just giving you a better option. That's all. Like, it's not the better option after all, but yeah. Check if codes is present in Kabir Singh codes. Okay? Check if codes is present in Kabir Singh codes. This is the last question of our what do you call last question of level 1. ठीक है, इसके बाद I will be sending you level 1 के answers. All these notes I'll be sending you and then we'll go to level 2. ठीक है, तो 7th question. Check if codes, bad handwriting, sorry, yeah, better. Check if codes is present in Kabir Singh, okay, Singh codes. ठीक है, चलो जल्दी से fast give me an answer how we can do this. Also, if somebody wants to get their doubt solved, if you have a doubt in any question, there is a form link in the description which says share your code with Kabir Singh. वो share your code with Kabir Singh में you can write your email name, your doubt and the screenshot of your doubt. ठीक है, तो वो भर दो और भेज दो, मैं देख लूंगा. Just remind me that you are doing it, okay? Not remind me, just inform me that you are sending it. Chale guys, anybody is out there who's going to tell me how we can solve this problem? Check if codes is present in Kabir Singh codes. Last question for level 1 and we are going to be qualified for level 2 guys. Let's go. चलो ठीक है, देखते हैं कैसे करेंगे. आ जाओ. So the first problem or the first sub problem that we can have, question 7.cpp, pushing this code on GitHub, add it, push. ठीक है, so the string 1 or string s1 is going to be codes. The string s2 is going to be Kabir Singh codes. And there's going to be one more string s3. ठीक है, did you guys understand till here? Just initializing 3 strings and then we'll use, okay, one tricky question. How do you or what do you use to get an answer as true or false? If you want an answer as true or false, if Kabir Singh codes is present or not, yes or no, what should I use? Tell me. Okay, very good, Subrata Mondal. Come on, answer me, guys. What should I use to kind of get an information in the form of true or false? Boolean, very good. So Piyush Lamba gave me the correct answer. We should use Boolean to get the answer in the form of yes or no. So let's write the name as present. So we'll write bool present. Initialize it as false. So one more thing which I should tell you. Whenever you're coding problems which gives you skeptical answers, it is there or it is not there, yes or no, always and always initialize it as no. Like we initialized the presence of a character in the form of -1. Present is initialized as false. So do it this way, it's better. This is what I have learned. So try giving it to you. Okay. Moving forward, so I have initialized present as false, and now I'll be accessing my entire string Kabir Singh codes. Okay? Understood? And how will I be searching it? Is that for int I is equal to 0, I is less than, now this is a twist, I is less than s2 dot length minus s1 dot length. Now what did I do? I plus plus. Why did I do this? Can somebody tell me why did I do s2 dot length minus s1 dot length while searching it? And a plus 1. Tell me. S2 dot length minus S1 dot length plus 1. Why did I do this? 33 people watching, 30 likes. Come on, hit the like button. Come on, give me an answer, guys. Anybody knows? If you don't know, write a no in the chat. If you don't know, write a no in the chat. If you don't know, write a no in the chat. Okay, nobody's writing even a no in the chat. Pretty less interactive chat. To check for the first character only. Yes. Correct. Now I'll tell you what happens. See, we are gonna search entire codes. Okay? So the codes will be entire codes will be searched. Okay? This. But what we are going to do is search it only and only with the form of Kabir Singh. So tell me one thing. I'll ask you one question. If we search it till here and we get it over here, do we have to search it in ODS? अगर हम codes ढूंढ रहे, if we are finding codes and we find it over here, do we again have to go for ODS to search it? No. Yes or no? So that's why the entire length is 5, 5, 10, 5, 15 minus 5 plus 1. So it comes out to be 11. So we are going to search it in this 11 and we are going to find it out. I mean, any string that is being searched, we'll subtract the length and add a plus 1, and if it is there, we'll get it in the first place itself. Understood? Let's see how. let's see how it's gonna happen. Okay, let's just give it a shot and see what's gonna happen now. And we need to actually just see what we're gonna do. So we got it as s2 length minus s1 length plus 1 I plus plus. We'll go inside the for loop, and now we'll have to start searching. Correct? So what we're gonna do is we are gonna write a code as s3 is equal to, okay, we'll use the third string which we initialized, and we'll make it a substring of s2. Correct? So what we are going to do, we are going to make it s2 dot substring. Substring means a smaller part of the main thing. So when we used to solve a big problem, we used to make sub problems. We are solving a big string, we are making small strings. Understood? Understood? And when you'll make the substring, you'll have to mention the starting point and the ending point of the substring. So we'll have the starting point as I and the ending point as s1 dot length. Now what did we do? We started it with 0 and we went till the length of the string which we are finding. Code's ka length is 5, so we started it with 0 and went till 5. So basically we are searching the first 5 elements, then the next 5 elements, then the next 5 elements, and finding codes in the string. Understood? So what we are going to do, we are going to say if s1 dot compare s3 means, remember we did a compare function yesterday, that if s1 dot compare s3 equal 0 means they are equal, present becomes true. And we'll break it up here. Simple. Correct? So now if the substring s3 is the substring, so if the substring is equal to the initial string, that is s1 that we are finding, become a true. Present becomes true. Or else, if it is not, we are going to be hanging out with present equals to false. So see out present and end. Easy. Run it and see. We get a 1. 1 मतलब true होता है, -1 मतलब false होता है. ठीक है? Did you guys understand or not? Tell me a yes or a no first, because I think I need to explain it again to you guys, because I don't think you were able to understand it. Yes or no, guys? Give me a yes or a no in the chat. 28 people watching and not even one answer. What happened to the students? Where are you guys? Rajat and other gang, where are you guys? Again समझा दो. Okay. Again समझा देंगे. Okay, no issues. If you guys want these notes, join the Telegram channel. Otherwise, you won't be able to get the notes. Now see. I'll show you one thing. I'll explain this code on the notes. That would be a better option. Okay? Now see. Look at this. First of all, understand what are the inputs. S1 is the thing which we are finding. S2 is the thing from which we are finding, and S3 is a random string. Okay? Understood? Don't spam Parth. You will end up getting a ban from the channel. No point, right? Timeout mil jayega. I can read it once. You don't have to keep spamming, because it becomes irritating at a point of time. So do not spam. You are getting the notes. You can get everything. Just don't spam. Okay? चलो, getting back, so what is gonna happen? Codes is what we are finding and Kabir Singh codes is from which we are finding. ठीक है, तो if codes is present we'll get a 1 that is true. If codes is not present we'll get a -1 that is false. ठीक है, यहां तक भी समझ आया? We'll go slow on this problem. यहां तक समझ आया? Yes or no? Development course next month, 1st of September, Flutter app development, which is coming up. Okay. Ab, what is the next thing? Okay, so the next thing is Boolean present false. मतलब present initially becomes false. We'll see if it is true or not in the end. Now, the loop is something like I is equal to 0, I is less than S2 dot length minus S1 dot length plus 1. ठीक है, and the last is I plus plus. तो यहां पे there will be a semicolon and it will be I plus plus. Now the main concept behind this is to search it only in the part of the string which is not there, which is actually not present. तो मतलब in short what I'm saying is that codes is present here. So if we search till C and we get it, we do not have to go and search again for ODS. So इसीलिए what we do, we check the length and we create substrings of the same. 5 length के substrings बन जाएंगे and उनमें check करेंगे. ठीक है? Did you guys understand why we used S2 length? मतलब बड़ा length minus छोटा length plus 1. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Give me a yes or a no. जल्दी बताओ. Okay. Now, after that, what happens is basically, wait, Parth, I will give you the question. I'll give you, don't write one thing again and again. Okay. I'll do it. Wait. So the question is find a specific string from a specific string. That's all. Nothing else. Okay. After that, we come inside the loop. We consider S3. S3 was the new string that we made, which did not have any value. And we make S2 substring and put it in S3. So we make a small string from S2 and we put it in S3. And what is that small string? It starts from I and it goes till S1 dot length. S1 dot length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it starts from 0 and goes till 5 terms. So the first substring will be something like KABIR. The second substring will be ABIRS. The next substring will be BIRSI. ऐसे करते करते it is going to make substrings till what length? Now listen, till what length? Till CODES. It will not make code, it will not make a string called as ODS क्योंकि वो मिल ही नहीं सकता. Understand this point very carefully. Plus 1 क्यों किया? Because we did S2 length minus S1 length. अब S2 लेंथ क्या है 10, S2 लेंथ क्या है 15. S2 लेंथ इज 15. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अंडरस्टैंड, S2 इज कबीर सिंह कोड्स. S2 है कबीर सिंह कोड्स की लेंथ क्या है 15. S1 लेंथ, S1 क्या है कोड्स, S1 की लेंथ क्या है 5. 15 माइनस 5 कितना हो गया 10. अगर हम सिर्फ 10 करते हैं तो कहां तक जाएगा? कबीर सिंह तक. ठीक है, क्योंकि कबीर सिंह तक ही 10 होता है, अंडरस्टैंड दिस। तो वो जाएगा KABIRSINGH, 10 एलिमेंट्स तक जाएगा और कोड्स को कंसीडर ही नहीं करेगा। बट अगर हमने +1 कर दिया तो इट विल गो टिल द फर्स्ट लेटर ऑफ कोड्स विच इज C। ठीक है, नाउ अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग दैट व्हेन वी वर मेकिंग सब स्ट्रिंग्स, तो वो सब स्ट्रिंग कुछ ऐसे बनेंगे। ठीक है, देखो सब स्ट्रिंग का हमने क्या फॉर्मूला लिखा है, S3 इक्वल्स S2 डॉट सब स्ट्रिंग I कॉमा S1 डॉट लेंथ। मतलब I जाएगा 0 से 11 तक, बिकॉज S2 डॉट लेंथ माइनस S1 डॉट लेंथ प्लस 1 इज 15 माइनस 5 प्लस 1 विच इज 11। ठीक है, 11 हो जाएगा। अब हमारा फर्स्ट सबस्ट्रिंग विल बी 0 टू S1 डॉट लेंथ विच इज 5, so it will be 0 and यहां पे I'll write the indexes 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14। ठीक है, और ये यहां पे कंप्यूटर काउंटिंग के हिसाब से ये 10 ही होता है। ठीक है, तो ये 0 to 10 जाएगा। सो द फर्स्ट सब स्ट्रिंग विल बी 0 to 5, यहां पे 0 to 5 एलिमेंट्स, that is 1 2 3 4 5। next substring will be 1 to next 5 elements, that is ABIRS। next substring will be BIRSI। next substring will be IRSIN। उसके अगला will be RSING। उसके अगला आएगा SINGH। ऐसे करते करते वी विल कम टू NGHCO, then we'll come to GHCOD, then we'll come to HCODE, and then we'll come to CODES। मतलब CODES तक, क्योंकि हम 10 तक ही जा सकते हैं। द लास्ट पॉइंट इज 10, इससे आगे हम जा नहीं सकते। सो नाउ जस्ट इमेजिन योर codes cannot be present after this C. It can either be present here or before this, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली इसके बाद 4 एलिमेंट है, 4 एलिमेंट में CODES 5 एलिमेंट नहीं आ सकता। So that's why we check till S2 length minus S1 length plus 1. Now do you understand? Now do you understand, guys? Yes or no? Everybody understood? I'll have water now. $39 people watching and 35 likes. यार like तो कर दो. Come on, hit the like button. भैया why would it go for ODES? हाँ, इट वुड नॉट गो ना, वही तो कह रहा हूं कि वो जाएगा ही नहीं ODES पे, इसीलिए हम स्ट्रिंग लेंथ S2 लेंथ माइनस S1 लेंथ प्लस 1 करते हैं। अब आया समझ में? ये वाला भी पिक्चर मैं इधर डाल देता हूं। ठीक है, एंड आई गेस वी डोंट नीड दिस पेज, तो इसको डिलीट मारते हैं. And the best part is, if you're paying attention right now, whenever you'll see these notes, you'll be able to understand everything. ठीक है. Project ideas for internship. I would recommend make projects in Flutter because that's what I do. I do not make projects in C++, so I'm sorry I can't guide you for that. But yeah, if you want ideas for Flutter, I can give you that. Flutter के दे सकता हूँ मैं. Okay, you were giving the conclusion. Okay, I thought you were giving a suggestion, but it's fine. ठीक है. Now I am sending the level 1 answers to you guys right now. ठीक है. तो strings level 1. What do you say? यार फ्लटर में ना बहुत सारे एप्स हैं, मतलब अनलिमिटेड एप्स आर देयर इन फ्लटर. कुछ भी बना सकते हो, समझ रहे हो. फ्लटर वर्सेस रिएक्ट नेटिव. फ्लटर अगेन, सी, at the end of the day, for me Flutter is better because I love Flutter. The way Flutter has been a part of my journey in coding, I guess it's the best thing that I have done in development. So for me, anytime web development से ऊपर Flutter ही रहेगा. ठीक है. Now I have sent the level 1 answers. सर सीखने में कितना टाइम लगेगा? यार देखो, सीखने में, फ्लटर सीखने में टाइम नहीं लगता ज्यादा. मतलब फ्लटर सीखने में आपको, इफ यू अटेंड वन कोर्स ना, जो द कोर्स विच आई एम गोइंग टू टेक इन द कमिंग मंथ, इफ यू अटेंड इवन वन कोर्स, यू विल बी एबल टू काइंड ऑफ गेट द एंटायर आइडिया. उसके बाद यू नो देयर, आई टेल यू वन थिंग वेरी ऑनेस्टली, यू डोंट हैव टू लर्न फ्लटर. जैसे C++ सीखना पड़ता है ना, फ्लटर यू डोंट हैव टू लर्न. You don't have to study, you have to practice. Now if you talk about football, ठीक है, yeah, it always depends. Totally, Yash, correct. So see, if you talk about this thing, what do you call football, ठीक है. So now football is something which you can, you know, kind of understand the game by watching it. But watching से ज़्यादा you have to play it, practice it, and then you can do it. So, sir, which course of Flutter you learned? I learned a lot of courses. Being very honest, I have gone through every YouTube video and maximum of all the channels which were there for Flutter, and that's why I came up with my own course. So yeah. Okay. Now again, I'll give you one more example. There are 30 people watching. How many of you play Valorant? Where is the link to the question? I don't have a link to the question part. It's normal, just a question to find one string in some other string. That's all. Okay. So giving you one more example. How many of you know Valorant as a game or have played Valorant? How many of you have played Valorant? I guess many of you would have played it because it's a very hyped up game nowadays. So is there anybody who has played Valorant till now? Tell me. Yeah, Flutter में job opportunities are good यार. मतलब it's really good. The thing which I'm hearing nowadays by people, काफी अच्छे पैकेज लग रहे हैं लोगों के. Okay. हाँ, तो यश मिश्रा has played Valorant. नहीं खेला. Used to play Valo. Okay. So I'll give you an example. So Valorant is a game in which people select specific. Okay. Okay. Parth. Yes, sir, I played it. Sonam, yes. Okay, Sonam has also played it. Very good. Siddharth has not played it. Very good. कोई बात नहीं. So I'll give you an example. Valorant is a game where people play five a team. So there is 5 people on one side and 5 people on the other side. And that game can be learned. You can actually learn that game by watching YouTube videos. Yeah, it's very similar to CSGO, but there are players which have abilities. So how to use those abilities, you can learn them from YouTube. There are proper lineups and there are proper agents or characters in that game which you can learn through YouTube by watching their lineups and all that. But you will not be able to learn that game only with the YouTube video. You have to practice it. Yeah, CSGO plus some CSS is called Valo. Correct. So this is an example, like people who have played Valo. So I'll give you an example. Yash, then Yash, Parth, Sonam. What agents have you played till now? What agents of Valorant have you played till now? What are your agents which you actually play, or your characters? What you call? Come on, give me in the chat. Let's make it a fun session now. Because now this is the last session on Codeverse for this month from my side. Because I'll be coming live maybe next month. Not sure about that also. So basically, yeah. Come on. What agents do you guys play? I always love Jet, okay? So Yash, you know that when you want to updraft and you want to do a super dash in Valorant, you have to learn it from YouTube, but you have to practice it also. सर ये क्वेश्चन समझा दीजिए. कौन सा क्वेश्चन? ओके, शोएब अख्तर, कैन वी नो फ्लटर इज अ लैंग्वेज. अब ऐसे कैन यू यूज जावा इन C++? नो, जावा अलग लैंग्वेज है, फ्लटर अलग लैंग्वेज है. कल से नो लाइव. रजत जोशी, कल से इजी कोड पे वापस अपना सेम टाइम 5 बजे लाइव आएंगे. Sir, please give us daily practice questions so that we can practice daily problems. Okay, do one thing. Sonam Mishra, which WhatsApp group are you in? What is the exact name of the WhatsApp group? There are a lot of groups from which people come. So, which group are you in? Yeah, you land into enemy. Correct. So I'll do one thing in the Telegram channel and in specific WhatsApp groups. So people like Sonam who are there in WhatsApp groups, you will get them in specific groups. That's why I'm asking you which groups are you guys in, so that I can only send the content in the active WhatsApp groups, because there are a lot of groups which are not even in use. So just tell me the names. So I will be sending practice questions in the Telegram channel and specific WhatsApp groups. So if you're from the WhatsApp group, either join the Telegram channel or you can tell me the name of the group in which you are in, so I can kind of filter groups now. ठीक है? Understood, guys? Unacademy C++ August 2. Okay. ठीक है. Which has the Unacademy symbol, right? ठीक है, मैं इस पे भेज दूंगा. I'll send it over here. Don't worry. इस वाले ग्रुप में I'll keep sending things. ठीक है? रजत जोशी, ये लोग ना एक्चुअली पहले से मेरी कम्युनिटी के व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में है, तो डोंट वरी, देयर इज नो डिफरेंस बिटवीन द व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप एंड द टेलीग्राम चैनल्स. ठीक है? डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. आई विल बी सेंडिंग एवरीथिंग इक्वली. बस ये कि मेरे को पता है ये लोग वहां पे, तो आई कैन सेंड इट टू देम. टेलीग्राम ग्रुप ऑफ कोडवर्स इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बिलो. Can we? I don't know using Flutter, but using React, I won 20,000 rupees in Capgemini Hackalore, Codelore last month. No, 4 months back. Codelore हुआ था Capgemini का चेन्नई में. I won 20,000 rupees using a React Native project in it. हाँ टेलीग्राम पे ही भेजूंगा, ये बस जो एक्टिव व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप्स हैं उस पे मैंने डाला है, बिकॉज देर आर पीपल फ्रॉम डिस्कॉर्ड, तो मैं डिस्कॉर्ड पे भी डालूंगा एंड इस पे भी डालूंगा, तो मैं हर जगह ही डालता हूँ यार, मैं एक साथ हर जगह ही डाल देता हूँ। ग्रुप सेटिंग्स ओनली एडमिन से मैं इसको पार्टिसिपेंट्स कर देता हूं। ओके, सो द ग्रुप इन विच यू गाइज आर, टेलीग्राम का लिंक अंश डिस्क्रिप्शन में है, गिटहब के लिंक के नीचे, ठीक है। एंड पीपल लाइक सुप्रिया, नो व्हाट इज योर नेम, सोनम, आई हैव मेड द ग्रुप पब्लिक, सो यू गाइज कैन जस्ट टेक्स्ट ओवर देयर, सर सेंड द क्वेश्चंस, आई विल सेंड इट ओवर देयर, ठीक है। तो ग्रुप पे मैसेज डाल दो कि सर प्लीज सेंड द क्वेश्चंस, तो मैं डाल दूंगा, ठीक है, so that I also get a reminder. Parth, I am not a part of the Codeverse channel. If you want the questions, you can join the Telegram channel, Kabir Singh Codes. The link is there in the description below. Substring use basically बड़े string में से छोटे strings को बनाने के लिए substring use करते हैं. We use a big substring to create small strings of the big string. ठीक है? Geeks for Geeks has approximately 30-40 questions on strings, so you can also go and check out their questions. It's really good. Yeah, so do send a message on the groups, otherwise I won't be able to remember that I have to send the notes. So just ping me on the group that sir send the questions, I'll send it up as soon as possible. In the coming future, sir, is it beneficial to learn cross-platform or native mobile development? Learn cross-platform so that you can go for more options. Because see, from your phones to your smartwatches, everything will be taken under consideration when you're developing apps. Okay, you sent it right now itself, pretty soon, but it's okay. I'll send them, no issues. Okay. Chalo, moving forward, I guess I have sent you the questions and everything. So do one thing, go and check out the questions which are there in the PDF which I sent on the group Telegram channel, and please forward the Telegram channel to more and more people. I was aiming 500 plus people by the end of this month, and we still have 4 days in hand. So if everybody forwards it to at least 20-30 people, we can cross 500 people on the channel. ठीक है? चलो, it was nice having you and nice being on Codeverse. Very good sessions and a very good crowd. So thank you so much for joining in. If you haven't liked the stream, hit the like button. We are 1 like away from, okay, we got 40. So let's like the stream if you can. Subscribe the channel this close to for 20,000 subscribers. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, ring the bell icon to know when I'm live, and join the Telegram channel to know when I'm live and where am I live, because I'm coming live on a lot of channels nowadays. So see you guys tomorrow. Easy code पे आ जाना tomorrow 5 o'clock. ठीक है? We'll have fun. चलो guys, bye bye. Take care. And 1 second. I guess. Give me 1 sec. I don't think I'm coming live tomorrow at 5. It's Saturday. So all those who want to learn and know how to get into competitive programming, I am giving a session tomorrow at 4 PM. ठीक है? तो 4 बजे easy code पे बिल्कुल मस्त session. So we'll see you tomorrow at 4 PM on easy code with Kabir Talks. And thank you so much for joining in. Have a nice evening. Bye bye.